So what are companies looking for? Most people tend to think it's just coding skills, but as you can see here, there's actually 4 things that they're looking for. One is analytic skills. That is, how can you think through a problem and analyze things? And when you're coding during an interview, they want to hear your thought process and how you go from not knowing the answer to solving the problem. They're also looking at coding skills, which is, do you code well? Is your code clean, well organized, readable? They also want to obviously know their technical skills or technical knowledge. That is, do you know the fundamentals? Did you just memorize things? Or do you understand the pros and cons of different solutions? And then finally, your communication skills. Does your personality match the company's personality? Can you communicate well with others, with the team? Most likely you won't be working by yourself. You're working with others, with other teams, with bosses, with managers. And they want to know whether you're the type of person that's going to fit well and work well within the company. Again, most people get hung up on the idea of learning every single algorithm, data structure, doing 1,000 problems to practice before an interview. And these are important. But in most companies, you won't actually need to know how to write a binary search tree or write a sorting algorithm from scratch. I mean, we're going to go through that in this course, but most of the time, you learn it on the go, on the job, when you actually need it. And let's be honest, as engineers, we know that most of the time, when a problem presents itself, we're good at searching the web on Google for answers. Not a single one of us has everything memorized in our head. Companies know this. They're not dumb. What they're looking for are people who know how to look for answers. And they want to know that you know your data structures and algorithms, and you know of their existence. That's the key. They want to know when you should use a certain data structure over the other. Why should we use a certain algorithm over another? At the end of the day, companies want smart people. They want people that can solve problems that they cannot solve themselves because that's what they're paying you. And having worked at companies and also hiring people, it's surprisingly hard to find people that can solve problems themselves without holding their hand or walking them through a problem entirely. So moving forward, I ask of you to just do this one simple thing. Do all the exercises in the course, pause the videos if you need to, rewatch the videos if you need to. You need to understand the why of doing things. Why are we learning this? Why is this the answer to the problem? Why is this answer better than the other? Again, don't worry. We're going to practice this muscle throughout. Okay, let's dive into the next video to see what we're going to learn. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.